Here's a video of just the Big Boy on its own. I don't know if you saw part one. I was comparing this to the Challenger. I've already done the startup. That's the whistle. Very nice. Okay, let's start it moving. Cab light goes off when it starts moving. Just beautiful sound, just remarkable sound. It's perfect. This is Broadway Limited Imports. Big Boy, cab number 4011. Let's go up to a quarter speed. Right there. Which is around 31 speed steps. Let's go in reverse. Look at the backup light. Try the horn again, the whistle. And they go forward again. The bell. Let's go to half speed, around 62 speed steps. Now we'll go to full speed. I did the Challenger before, along with the Big Boy. Actually, it's this Challenger right here, number 3829. I'll have the Big Boy go around the track a couple times. There's the whistle again. This video won't be too long because I don't actually have my microphone plugged in, so I don't know if you can hear my comments very well. You probably can't hear my comments that good, but you could hear the main thing is that you can hear the train. I didn't do the startup sequence because I think I did it in the last video. But I will do the shutdown. I'm just going to slow it down. I'm not going to actually shut it down. I just want to have it go slower. And let's speed it up. We'll have it go around a couple more times again. It has a depleting coal load. You can see it's gone down because we've gone around a couple times. I'm going to slow it down so you can see that it's dropped. Oh, get a bit closer here. Now to bring it back up, I think it's Shift F10 on the controller. Let me try it from what I remember. Yeah, it is. You can hear it going. Yeah, it's filling up. You can hear the sound. That's great. Do the whistle. And I'm running out of smoke fluid. So I'm going to do the shutdown. It's F9. Smoke should shut off here soon. Okay, it's off now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.